Just wanted to give everybody a little quick video showing how we get prepped for our foundation to be poured before we start installing our ICCF wall. These guys got the forms all set up, all the steel in place. Once again, steel being placed accurately is very important to make your life easy when throwing the first course. Get all your plumbing in line. This one is going to be poured next week. And then we're going to start throwing some more block. I'll have another sequence video after this is poured, showing a little bit more. We're going to have some plumbing in the walls. I'll show you how we place those where we need them, keep them going up through the cells. We've already built a good portion of this house. And we're getting ready to move on to building all the rest of it. It's going to have an RV garage going in on this side. You want to make sure if you have to build a wall before the rest of the foundation is poured, you get your rebar tied into the part of the wall that you already built. We have to put in a couple more pieces on this section. These guys did a really good job placing this steel. We're just about ready to continue out.